What was meant to be a joyous celebration for Lizzy Anjorin's birthday turned into an unexpected disgrace. Her husband, Mr. Lateef Anjorin, had allegedly arranged for gospel musician Tope Alabi to perform a birthday surprise for her. However, upon arriving, Tope Alabi allegedly refused to leave her vehicle when she discovered the performance was for Lizzy Anjorin. She promptly returned the payment for the surprise appearance and drove away. Speculation suggests that the gospel singer is cautious about maintaining her brand image and prefers to steer clear of any controversies linked to Lizzy Anjorin, as she's known to be a fracas blogger and always causes innocent people on social media. Additionally, some sources indicate that Tope Alabi was displeased with the caliber of people at the event. Noting the absence of fellow celebrities, the incident left Lizzy Anjorin on the verge of tears, allegedly. This incident has generated mixed reactions online, as fans questioned why Tope Alabi couldn't perform at the event. As question continues to linger, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.